Hey guys, it's your boy Eduardo, you already know, and today's video will be talking about what gold did last week, some really important things and key points I would like you to take into account and take notes about it, guys, okay? And obviously, as usual, I'll be talking about what I'm expecting it to do next week, okay? So without further ado, let's get into it, guys. So the first trade I would like to tell you about is actually my only loss this week, okay, which was this sell confirmation right here. What I was looking for here, guys, was the beginning of the retraction move, the retracement move. Obviously, we had here a retracement to the Fibonacci level. So if I put like here, you can see, actually, no, I'm sorry. I put the Fibonacci wrong, sorry. So right here, if you see, you can see that we have the 61.8, which if you saw the course, and if you see my videos, you know that is a really key point. And just because it really respected, and actually respected it 2 times, and I'm going to talk about this trade in a moment, okay? This is actually another trade that I took. And yeah, I was expecting the retracement on the Fibonacci level and continuation on the move. Just for me to have like the clearest confirmation, I would need to have the break on this low. But as a scalping opportunity, I took this trade and I got manipulated. This is why, guys, one thing that I learned, because again, guys, even me, that I'm an educator, I trade live in front of like 100 students, so inside our community, I'm learning every day, guys. Like, this is like trading. You can't just master trading and that's it, guys. You're always learning. You need to always be innovating, like see what the market is doing, adapt to it, right? And this is something that I really saw this week. This is something that you see a lot in pairs, so forex pairs like euro dollar during Asia session, which was, guys, we have a sweep on the low and a sweep on the buy side liquidity, guys. This is in 1 hour. It was like crazy. This is actually where I took the L. And I just prefer to take loss because, guys, imagine, right? So session opens bearish. One thing that I follow inside our strategy is usually, okay, so this is not, as you can see, is not 100% of the times, but the section next to the market open, so it's as a session, right, follows the volume. So the market opened bearish, and I was expecting, obviously, there is a session to continue on the downside move, okay? But what we got instead was a manipulation on the lows, and then, guys, this was like crazy on live, though. Like, imagine, bearish, so we made a retracement on this candle, which is perfectly healthy. We have a bearish engulfing candle, breaking last candles week, guys. I had the confirmation that we have at least free range to retest this low right here. Obviously, this low would be like the major confirmation. So if I was not scalping, I would not get into this trade. But again, I saw a good trade, and then market manipulates up. It comes, it marks market fluidity reversal pattern. It does not make a bearish engulfing candle, and boom, guys, you know. And then it comes back into structure, okay? It was like crazy. It was my only L this week, which was really interesting to see. And something that I like, I need to backtest this first. But one thing that I'm really thinking about, like changing in my gaming plan right here, is when I take scalping opportunities. Obviously, when I take like long-term trades, like this break on this low, and as you can see, like a strong low right now in the 30-minute time frame, which is good. But I'll wait on the first candle of the session to see if we have, obviously, these manipulation moves inside the first candle. But yeah, guys, what you have to do in these scenarios, okay? This is what I wanted to talk about. So again, because I took, actually, I bought and I got like all my money back. So yeah, guys, what happened here was, obviously, we have manipulated to the downside and to the buy side. Now we wait, and then something really interesting happened, because obviously we waited, because obviously this is a market fluid reversal pattern, continuation on the move, but it happened something really interesting, which was we got back into structure, and obviously the next candle did not manage to break and make a continuation on the move, guys. And this is something that you have to wait in these kinds of scenarios where the price just manipulates up and down, which is see what the market will do, because either it is going to go to the free range or go back into structure, guys. And this is what I was waiting for, actually. I was waiting for it to come back into structure, which it went, right? So it rejected the top, it came back, and then next candle broke and came back into structure again. Next one came bearish, and now we are inside the 1 hour and 15 minute, like we're inside structure. I can see the half an hour time frame, which is easier for me to tell you guys. So yeah, guys, basically what you have to wait now you are inside structure, and here I actually took a risk, okay? This is something that I not advise you to do, because what would be the most like certain thing, because guys, I really wanted to take this trade if it went to the upside. And again, guys, as you can see, it was like almost 6 a.m. and I need to sleep. I traded whole Asia session. And then, yeah, guys, I need to sleep. It is what it is. So, yeah, I took a risk of just putting a buy stop here. So, right, just for me too. If it breaks and if it confirms, I can get all the move, and it actually went all right. I 1 to 2. I closed like the trade around this area right here, okay? So going back to the previous point, what I was talking about is when it comes back in the structure, what you need to see is where the price wants to go, because it will either break up or break down. Those are the only two options, and you just have to wait and see, right? So manipulated the buy side and sell side liquidity, comes back into structure, and now we wait. And as soon as he breaks these weeks, right, with volume, and you see it breaking with volume for me here, it's instantly like a good trade. You can enter on your trade, and as you can see, like full range until the next area, which I'm going to talk about now, guys. So this was like the second trade I took on this day, and then now we need to see something really interesting, which was, if you pull actually the Fibonacci level here, actually right here, you can see, let's go to the 15 minutes, it's easier for you to understand, okay? So let me just put on the low. You can see that we are here inside of the golden zone, right? So the golden zone is this rectangle right here, which is an area really important, and usually price utilizes this area to make the retractions on the move, right? And here you see we had a retraction. This is why I was actually looking for the sell, which I talked about previously, right? So the rejection on the golden zone and continuation on the move, break on the low, and that was our trade, right? But it did not happen. We actually came, retest, right? So retest the golden zone again, rejected, retest, come, and then, guys, what I was looking for, I actually got on this buy trade right here, and then boom, I obviously got 100 pips, amazing trade. But now price did something really interesting, guys, and this is where you need to have like the eagle eye, because yes, we broke the golden zone, we broke structure, but if you see, obviously you can see because the Luxalgo like updates the seller zones, but we had a demand zone right here, so a seller zone, and obviously price came and reacted to it. And now, guys, we go back to lesson number 1, which is you gotta wait. Will it come back into structure, or will it do the perfect scenario, which was like, guys, I sent this trade on the community. People made so much money, guys. It was crazy, guys, like 400 pips, because I knew if we broke this structure, this seller zone, we'd go instantly to the new all-time high. And people, actually some people, I hold it till here. Some people will hold it like forever. Like, it was amazing, guys. Yeah. But yeah, we got a rejection, and then we had the rejection on the structure, market fluidity reversal pattern, and obviously a bullish engulfing candle breaking this week right here, guys. And here I knew we were instantly going to the all-time high. And this, I mean, we got the trade. It was amazing. We got the day. You could like buy right here, especially because we have a rejection on the top, and when we broke, you could enter. But guys, I had such an amazing day. I made like so much money on my funded account, which I was like, yeah, I'm not going to trade more. I just went to the gym. I just chilled for a while, guys. And this is something really important. And I taught this to our community in the previous session, guys, which is in trading sometimes like wanting to be involved in every move is not healthy, guys. You know, you just come here, you make your money, or you take your L, and it's okay. You know, just no more opportunities will come, because sometimes we see in them, especially in moments like this, oh my god, this is opportunity, oh my god, gold is just going up, I need to buy. No, chill. Like the market, especially gold gives opportunities to make money every single day, guys. So yeah, I was okay. I was already made money. It was an amazing day. Why would I just risk a breakup? Like, it's fine, you know. If I did not get like any trades done, and oh my god, let's go and trade. Yeah, sure, that was an amazing trade, but I preferred not to, guys. Yeah. So yeah, guys, basically talking right now what gold will do for next week. Obviously, we continue on the move. You could have entered in this break of structure right here, which I actually did. I actually entered on a sell right here. So my trades on Friday were simple. It were this buy and this sell. I did not get like in this move, but I got actually this buy, and I got all this move. And then so break on structure, you already know, I already taught in our strategy, right? You can see the first video to see why I sold this, right? So break of structure, break of last candles week, and we had a continuation on the move, right? So, and obviously you had the rejection on the highs here. So yeah, guys, what am I expecting for gold next week now? In terms of news, let's say, okay, we don't have like massive news. In the beginning of the week, we have some high impact news, but I don't think it will like impact gold directly. What I genuinely believe will happen, guys, first, I need to talk about the RSI, guys. The RSI is super overbought. If you go and look for the RSI, last time we were in this point, look, guys, like massive drop. We're talking about 3k pips in a day, guys, which is what I'm expecting actually. So yeah, but first, and actually I told this to our community because the last AJ session I gave, the price was like around this range, and I said, yes, we can have our retraction here, but I genuinely do not believe. I believe, yes, we can make a correction, but price will manipulate, even though it's super overbought, will manipulate up and do something that you saw in crypto, like 1.5 years ago you saw in crypto here, right? So, oh my god, Bitcoin 100k, and boom, you know, this is what I'm expecting 100%. So, price will open with a gap around this area right here. Okay, so around, where's the brush? Yeah, so right here or right here, so with like a 400 and 500 gap around here. Oh my god, gold 5k, guys, and then boom, we'll have our retraction move. I don't know if it will be in Asia session or New York session. This is obviously my prediction. It might not happen, obviously, but because again, guys, past results do not grant any results right now. Obviously, we don't have 100% certainty in the market, but this is what makes sense to me, and I'm actually looking for sells in this area right here. And it would be perfectly normal, guys, because, and one thing that I like to talk about as well is, when you have this kind of move, this is not healthy for the market. What is healthy for the market? Guys, if we had like, you know, this price action over a year or two, you know, just price, you know, session comes up, you know, then comes New York session, corrects, Asia session comes back, and now, you know, so like a normal flow of movement, you know. But this is like NFP on steroids, guys. And if you traded NFP, you know that price boom comes, if it obviously goes against or in favor of the dollar. Obviously it varies, but example, on gold usually boom comes up, and then you see it came up real fast and then goes down even faster, guys. And that's what I'm expecting right now, because this is not a healthy price action. This is just volume, like money they're putting money in the market real fast. And when this happens, guys, usually we need, guys, we really need a retraction on a move. We have so many areas to visit. Obviously, we have this gap right here, which is actually the first target I'm looking for. We have zones right here that we need to visit. So yeah, it would be more than healthy. But guys, in the macro, 100%, I'm totally expecting something like this and continuation on the move. Obviously, gold will keep going up, like instability everywhere. The economy is cooked. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm expecting for gold. Probably will happen next week, obviously, because next week I 100%, because it has been happening for like a month, so huge gap up, and I generally will have like a gap again around this area. Oh my god, news everywhere, 5k gold, woo, you know, there is a reason they did not make gold now 5k, you know, on a Friday. Obviously we did not have volume, but now, oh my god, on Monday, all the televisions, oh, 5k, boom, guys, you know? And I've seen this times and times again during like a lot of assets, and this is what I'm genuinely believing, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll try to make a video tomorrow talking like specifically about our strategy. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you took notes. So right here, guys, again, like I told you, even me, I'm an educator. I'm also a student. I'm a student of the game every single day, guys. I'm learning. You can't stop learning in life, because if you stop, guys, you die, okay? So I hope you got some value out of this video, and see you on the next one. Let's go.